Hello, today we're going to do a quick run through on how to install VirtualBox on Windows 10 and make sure that you have the 64-bit option and not just locked into 32-bit options. So we'll just jump right into it. First thing you want to do, if you do a Google search, it should be the very first one for VirtualBox. Just go ahead and click on it. Click on the download VirtualBox 6.1. Click on the Windows host. Click Save File. We'll wait for it to download. While it's downloading, we'll have to check and see if it still has a problem with only being 32-bit. It has in the past. It's been a couple of years since I've actually installed it on Windows, so we'll run through it. If it doesn't, there's a simple way to fix that. One thing that I would appreciate if you like what I'm doing, the videos and stuff, that you would subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps me out by having subscribers and people actually watching the videos. So if you wouldn't mind, kind of watch the video all the way through, or just let it run while you go fix a sandwich or something. Okay, it's finished installing, so we'll go ahead and open the file where you saved it to. We can go ahead and lower that. Double click on VirtualBox. Go ahead and click Next. Go ahead and click Next. Go ahead and click Next again. Like I said, this is actually pretty simple. This is just telling you that it may interrupt your internet connection. Go ahead and click Yes. Click Install. Click Yes. Click Install. Click Finish. So we're going to go ahead and download the updated extension pack. Go ahead and download. Go ahead and install. Go ahead and upgrade. Scroll to the bottom, click I agree. Click yes. Click OK. Go ahead and delete the old stuff. Okay, so now let's make sure we have 64-bit. So we're going to click New. And yes, we do. We have 64-bit and 32-bit options. So that'll work. Alright, that's all there is to it. I have other videos on how to actually install various different Linux distributions in VirtualBox. And once you get VirtualBox installed, it does not matter if VirtualBox is installed on one Linux distribution or Mac or Windows. It all works the same. So all the videos I do that install Linux in VirtualBox are done on Linux. But if you have VirtualBox installed on Windows, it's all going to work the same way. And this is actually something everybody that runs Windows really needs, because if somebody sends you a suspicious email, or you're thinking about visiting a website that you may be suspicious of, if you open a VirtualBox and start a Linux instance and then use that as your operating system to go into these suspicious websites and open these suspicious emails, even if it totally destroys the entire operating system, it will only do it in the VirtualBox. All you got to do is go up here, right click, delete, and go back to Windows, and it has no effect on your Windows. If you find the work that I do is anywhat helpful, I would really appreciate subscribing to my channel. Of course, clicking like on the videos has helped. Leaving the helpful comments, please don't troll it. But I'm trying to get also set up on Patreon to where that people would be able to support through Patreon, or just make throw a couple dollar donation at me through Venmo, because I accept Venmo too. That stuff will all be in the notes at the bottom of the video. Thanks for watching.